What's the meaning of aggregate? Aggregate. 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 Aggregate refers to the process of collecting and combining data or information from multiple sources into a single summary or total. This can involve calculating averages, sums, or other statistical measures that provide an overview of the data as a whole. The resulting aggregate information is often used to make informed decisions or draw conclusions about a particular topic or situation. By condensing large amounts of data into a more manageable format, aggregation helps to simplify complex information and make it easier to understand.